WoodTech and MebelExpo Uzbekistan is a prominent gathering for professionals across the furniture, interior design, and woodworking industries, offering a dynamic platform for showcasing creativity, craftsmanship, and modern production solutions. The event brings together manufacturers, suppliers, designers, and innovators who present advanced materials, smart machinery, and contemporary design concepts.
Welcome to ilikevents TV, your gateway to the world's top exhibitions and trade shows. Let's explore today's event.
It highlights the evolution of furniture production, emphasizing quality, functionality, and aesthetic innovation. Participants can discover new trends, explore business opportunities, and form valuable partnerships within a thriving regional market.
By connecting established leaders with emerging talents, MebelExpo Uzbekistan fosters collaboration, inspires fresh ideas, and supports the growth of a forward-looking and competitive furniture ecosystem. WoodTech and MebelExpo Uzbekistan is an event, and I like events.
Want to join this event? Check the link in the description for tickets, hotels, and booth services. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to stay updated with global events.